And if you want to go for extra credit, talk to me like I'm a 10-year-old managing director. What do you guys think? So Khalif is answering sigmoid for the second one. Yeah, and obviously the answer is there, right? So again, two questions. For the people that said sigmoid at the beginning, what do you think about this one now? Because some of you answered, some of you answered sigmoid for this one. And I'm not naming names, right? But what do you think about this one after seeing this one? And then for the second question is what is the difference between these two? So Diffio says both examples of nonlinear activation functions, not the same. Diffio, I agree with you that they're not the same, but is it a nonlinear activation function? What do you guys think? Yassine says it has two conditions. If output is less than a threshold, then output is 0.